Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a good day. Got a bunch of updates on the Z, as you guys could tell. But I figured since I haven't posted in a while, obviously because of this, but haven't posted in a while, I figured I would give you guys a little vlog day with me. Just daily drive with the Z. Seems to be raining a bit. Floor's all wet, so you already know what that means. Some good fun. Let the cars pass, but let's get into the damage. So A-pillars, hood, headlights fine. I got these cutouts right here because they got bent. We got the whole new radiator support ready to put on. We don't have it on yet. Broke the headlight. Still works, but alright, so I got into two separate accidents. Both of them weren't my fault. One of them was nobody's fault, but this one right here, if you guys could see, the entire fender got scratched up. Wheel got scratched my door and my side skirt. Also dented my quarter panel and scratched this wheel up a bit too. That happened in December, a week before Christmas. On my way to work, this old guy then like fly by, motherfucker zooming. A week before Christmas, on my way to work, this old man didn't like that I was gonna pass him on the right lane, so he road raged against me and literally just boom, right into my car. So I called the police. That's obviously his fault. I gave him the ticket. I was in the process of getting it fixed by the insurance, his insurance, and then this happened. So I was at a four-way stop, and long story short, I stopped, I let someone pass, and then this lady didn't stop. She was a little bit how do you say this word in English? I don't know, I'm gonna say it in Spanish for you though, but desesperada. She was impatient there. And then she took it, and in the Z, I have a blind spot right there, the four-way. If you don't stop, I'm not seeing you until when I see you. So I saw her at the end after she took the stop sign that I first started to roll out, and she smacked my front end and basically tilted it. You could kind of see it. She smacked over here and pushed the Z out over there, so now I have this alignment issue. But the hood's kinked and everything. We're in the process of fixing it. Yesterday we took it to the body shop and we straightened it out a bit. We still have to replace the parts. Got everything bent, but I literally got everything ready to go in. Yeah, this Z drives perfectly fine. The alignment's a bit off, but there's nothing I can't fix at the shop. But yeah, that's just a little update on life and how the Z's been. Besides that, everything's been great. Everything's been good, thank God. Took the Z like this with no hood. Slapped the bumper on. Took the bumper off because it doesn't fit too well, but slapped the bumper on and took it to Disney like this, no hood. And it tugged it out. It ate it up. Yeah, I'm sure you guys are gonna enjoy this video, and hopefully we get some fun slides with this weather. Alright, we just finished the first errand. Got out of Best Buy. Had to get these. It's one of my favorite. And got this. As you guys can't tell by the quality, I'm using my original GoPro, my Hero. Like the first one that came out that I got when I was super young. So I got this so I could connect it to my Mac, because what I do is I connect the GoPro to my Mac, to my old Mac, because it has a USB-A outlet. But my new Mac only has USB-C, so I would have to transfer them. It's a fucking pain in the ass. Sorry for the language. It's a huge hassle. So I was like, why not just get that? I was looking at newer GoPros, pretty expensive. Probably gonna buy a used one, but the weather is very, very promising. Like, great. I think we're gonna turn this into a freaking drift vid. Hit the warehouses maybe. Oh my gosh, see the boys down. Because right now, well, the plan was come here and then go to my friend's house. And I was gonna help him out with his bike, with his drum. He something with a chain. And I want to do that, but it's pouring. So maybe I pull up on him, and when we go, he has a Mercedes, he's on the S55. We'll go for those to the warehouses, have some fun. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, we're about to leave, but I want to see if I can maybe get a cheeky slide somewhere. I don't know. We must see. Oh, and I got no AC because this bitch punctured my condenser. So now I have to deal with this shit. Phenomenal. I cracked the window. Oh shit, I'm getting wet. Gotta crack it a bit. Never mind. Let's not crack it. This area is a little bit sketchy. There's typically lots of cops. Why does my shit sound like that? I don't know. I put a lightweight clutch, a lightweight flywheel, and a stage 2 clutch. She sounds like that. Dude, this is terrible rain. I think we should pull over. Just for a little bit. Try to calm down. Don't want to harm anything on the Z, you know? Guys, look at this in front of me. That is so baller. And he is manual. You guys probably couldn't hear it, but I heard it. That is so badass. Jesus, bro, it's a whole ass storm out here. It didn't rain for, God, I don't know how long, for a minute. And it comes right back with a freaking storm. This is crazy. And it sucks if I don't have AC, so I can't defog my windows. But it is what it is. We're good. Hopefully when it slows down, I'll be able to get some, nice slides. Because when it's too wet, I don't like sliding. It's a bit unpredictable. You could hit like a big puddle, and I don't like it. I had a couple scares with it once. Two. Not one. But yeah. Look at this thing. I can't get over it. It's so clean. I love this Gen 8. So badass. Jaded, baby. Alright, enough RA glazing. We'll see you guys with some content. Thanks, sir. The coast is clear. Alright, we'll wait for this dude. There should be a little pause now. let me go? Go. I'll let you go.
I got the GoPro on.
We got the GoPro on in public. Now back to the vehicular crib. The Honda Easy Grom, are we gonna do that shit on it?
Huh?
You wanna do that shit on it and then go slide it?
Maybe, but right now I found out
What?
I'm trying to put my rear turn signals on, and I actually
don't know how to?
No, I
You
connected them.
Out?
Yeah, that's surprising.
Damn, man.
I know, right? Crazy.
Why? What's up with you, Bala? Alright guys, right now we're at Bala's house. We're working on the Grom Easy. Bala, tell me what's up. What's up? Alright, little camera shot. It is minor. I'll blur that out actually. We're working on the Honda Easy Grom. We put the turn signals on it. And we're gonna adjust the chain now. We fixed this block off plate. Or whatever the hell that's called. I'm a car tech, not bike tech. We changed that. We're gonna adjust the chain on it now, and then it's gonna be good to go. It's just a fun little bike. First bike I've learned how to ride. I actually really like it. They're really fun. I think it's a great beginner's bike. That's what he got it as. Yeah. We're gonna do a chain adjustment on that, and then I think we'll be done for a day. Pure fun after that. Might hit up a favorite spot, Twin Peaks. Some drinks. We can head out, get some dinner, and Grom Easy. Grom Easy.
I don't know where to put this shit on now.
No, put it on now. Trust me, as soon as you're riding, it's gonna be cold as shit. Alright, pizza, all the realness. All the realness. We had $1 for every bottle cap, bro. That'd be a lot of money. Blur out the license plate. Want me to blur it out or not? Yeah, for real. You're not gonna run or do any stupid shit in this thing. You're a good boy.
Do you see the horsepower on this thing? Huh?
Bro,
It's
look.
basically a GSXR.
It basically 4 letters for 1,000 cc. It's just like in Braille, so you can't read it unless you understand Braille.
Basically a Gixxer, alright? GSXR.
Fuck a Honda CBR 1000. It's a Gixxer. You tell him.
I'm a Gixxer 600.
Look at these swaggalicious mirrors. Look at this old ass GoPro, guys. I'm lying to you when I
Let's
tell
see
you.
if this guy didn't tie my chain too much. If he did,
Bro, I did not tie a chain. Alright, guys, I work on cars, not bikes. So over here telling me to work on his bike and tying his chain. I've never fucking done this before. I learned how to ride a bike on this bike. But I'm confident that it's good. It's an inch and 3/8 free play, and that's what it literally calls for on the swing arm. And it's good. He's just sweet. Doesn't trust a boy, which is crazy. Yeah. He got allergies. Allergic to irrigation.
that big tune.
Ludwig tune?
Ludwig?
Fuck. We're heading out to Twin Peaks, bro. That's the best place on earth. If you guys haven't been there, go there. Take your girlfriend. Trust me, she'll love
You're
it.
very mad.
No, she'll be so mad that you didn't take her before. That's the only reason she'll be mad.
Started to enjoy the Red J always scatter. 005 with criminal. I ain't about to y'all about to miss. Tape on the ground, ain't miss. Tape on it. Shake on it. Shake on it. Try to keep fucking my bones. Moving too fast, about to break something. Try to keep out of my phone. You keep doing that, I'ma break something. Break something.
Fuck yeah! Hondeezy Grom. What you know about the Hondeezy Grom, y'all? Hondeezy. That's the joke between us. Bro, it's actually a really fun little bike. We put those little turn signals on it today, and we changed one of the chain tensioning like block off plates on it. And yeah, it's pretty nice. It's a fun little good bike for a first time. I like it. May buy one or a dirt bike instead. I don't know. Buy a dirt bike and make it street legal. That guy looks like a news reporter. I don't know if you guys picked that up, but I mean, it's just I'll catch you guys later. Got some footage of the car, just how it sounds. In the video, I wanna go no. Yeah, that wasn't a Z. Alright, good. My headlights out. It's hilarious. I wish it was empty. I've said this part before, so I go up like right here, and I dump into second, and then I go this way out a little bit, just hug this corner. Nothing too crazy though. It's a little bit sketchy though, because I always get well, we need to go down there, so I don't know what car that was. But fun Sunday nonetheless. Worked on the bike, turned some wrenches, had some broskies way before driving. All driving was involved. That was fun. That Finta was starting to dry up though. Kind of gripped a little bit there. Had to give it a little bit more turn-ins to get that bitch to stay sideways, but stayed sideways, so I think I've been having problems with my diff. I've already hit 110,000 miles. It's crazy. I drive this car for a hobby, literally, for fun. Whenever I'm bored, I have nothing to do, I go drive it. But I think it's time to change my diff fluid. I remember I did it like 20,000 miles ago already, and it like 85 or 90. I'm not sure. But yeah, I think it's time to change it again. I'm gonna put multiple, what was it? 90, 140 or some shit like that. Well guys, I'm gonna start wrapping up the video. It's gonna be the end of the night. Had a great Sunday. Hope you guys had a great day, whether you're watching this video. Well, you're not gonna watch it Sunday. I just hope you guys have a great day, and I hope you guys are staying safe out there, still having fun.